So these are questions from NDA to 2018. So let's discuss chemistry questions from this. Okay, this question paper. So see the first question. Atomic number of an element. Atomic number of an element is 8. Atomic number of an element is 8. How many electrons will it gain to form a compound with sodium? Okay, so atomic number, they are saying it is 8. Atomic number is 8. So what is the configuration? 2, 6, isn't it? This is K shell, this is L shell. Okay. So what is the valency? So it is having 6 electrons in its outermost shell. So it requires 2 more electrons, isn't it? So 2 more electrons is required by the given whose atomic number is 8. Okay. So it is going to combine with sodium. Sodium, what is the atomic number? Atomic number is 11. So its general electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. So it has an extra electron or valence electron of 1, isn't it? So how many electrons will it gain to form a compound with sodium? It is asking. Okay. So even if it combined with any element, this 2, 6 whose valency is 2 will gain how many electrons? It will gain 2 electrons. It will gain 2 electrons because its valency is 2. Okay, so it can gain electron from one sodium as well as it can gain electron from another sodium. So 2 electrons can be gained because its electronic configuration is 2, 6. So 2 in the K shell, 6 in the L shell. Okay, so it requires 2 more electrons. 2 more electrons. 2 more electrons are required. Okay, so it will gain 2 electrons. So the answer is option B, 2 electrons. Next question. A sample of oxygen consists of 2 isotopes of oxygen with masses 16 units and 18 units respectively. The proportion of these isotopes in the sample is 3:1. What will be the average atomic mass of oxygen in this sample? Okay, so it is very easy, just like we find average in our mathematics. So first isotope, it has mass of 16 and it is present as 3 parts, 3:1, isn't it? So 3 parts is of the first isotope. So 3 divided by totally how many parts? 3 plus 1, 4 parts. Plus 16, after 16, there is 18. One isotope is of 18 units and it is 1. This is list 1. So 1 by 4. Okay, so 16 into 3 by 4 plus 18 into 1 by 4. Understood? That means 16 mass into how much is that? It is in 3 parts, isn't it? So 3 by 4, 18 into 1 by 4. Okay, so once you do this cancel. So you'll get 12 plus 4.5, isn't it? So that is 16.5 units. 16.5 units, option D. 16.5 units, option D. So answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Which one of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Which one of the following is a heterogeneous mixture. So there are two kinds of mixtures. What are they? Heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous and homogeneous. So what is the difference? If the mixture is having uniform composition, it is homogeneous. If a mixture is having non-uniform composition, it is heterogeneous. Okay. So here hydrochloric acid, it is a homogeneous mixture because it is having a uniform composition. Vinegar is also having uniform composition. Soda water is also having a uniform composition. So these three are homogeneous, but heterogeneous they are asking. So heterogeneous mixture is milk, because milk is a heterogeneous mixture which has carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. So heterogeneous mixture is milk. Next question. What is the formula mass of anhydrous sodium carbonate? What is the formula mass of anhydrous sodium carbonate? So what is the formula for sodium carbonate? Anhydrous means do not have water. Okay. So sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3, isn't it? Sodium carbonate. Okay. So Na2CO3. Anhydrous sodium carbonate. So it is formula is Na2CO3. Okay. So what is the mass of sodium? It is given as 223. Okay. So 2 into 23 because 2 sodium is there. Then carbon mass is 12 units. So 1 carbon is there. So simply 12. Then how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. So 3 into 16. Okay. So 2 sodium. So 2 into 23 plus 1 carbon, so just 12, then 3 oxygen, so 3 into 60. Okay, so when we add this, we'll get 106 units. 106 units. 106 units. So next question. Which one of the following is called as syngas? Which one of the following is called as syngas? So syngas, from the option, it is syngas is option C, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. Syngas is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. This mixture or this combination we call it as syngas or synthesis gas. Syngas or synthesis gas. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. Okay, so that is syngas. Next chemistry question. A stainless steel chamber, consists argon gas at a temperature T and pressure P. Total number of argon atoms, in the chamber is N. Now argon gas in the chamber is replaced by carbon dioxide gas. Total number of carbon dioxide molecules in the chamber is N by 2 at same temperature. Now the pressure is P dash. Which holds true? From the option which is true? That is the question. Okay, so see here, we know that PV is equal to nRT. So this is the gas equation, isn't it? PV is equal to nRT. So in the first case, just see PV is equal to nRT. In this case, so they are filled in stainless steel chamber, isn't it? So in the first case, let it be PV is equal to nRT. In the case of argon, then P is equal to nRT by V. In the second case, this argon is replaced by carbon dioxide. There, P is equal to, so P dash is having P dash. They are saying pressure as P dash. N is N by 2, isn't it? N, they are saying N by 2. Then everything else, universal gas constant R is same, T is same, V is also same. Because in the same steel chamber, it is filled. So here nRT by V is nothing but P. So this much portion we can write as P. So P divided by 2. So P dash is equal to P by 2. P dash is equal to P by 2. That is the correct option. So that is the option C. Option C. P dash is equal to P by 2. P dash is equal to P by 2. Next chemistry question. Permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water cannot be removed by which one of the following methods? Permanent hardness of water cannot be removed by which one of the following methods? Okay, so permanent hardness of water is mainly due to the presence of chloride and sulfide ions, sulfate ions. Okay, because of the chloride and sulfate ions, permanent hardness occurs. So we need to remove these ions so that permanent hardness can be removed. So this removal is not possible by boiling. So boiling cannot be the method to remove permanent hardness. Other three methods, that is treatment with sodium, washing soda, Calgon's method, ion exchange method. These three methods can remove permanent hardness. Boiling cannot remove permanent hardness. So that is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following reactions will give NO gas? Which one of the following reactions will give NO gas as one of the products? As one of the products. So see the first reaction, copper plus HNO3. Copper plus HNO3. So I'm writing the equation. Copper plus HNO3 gives copper nitrate plus NO plus H2O. So while you balance 3, 2, here they are giving 8. While balancing, put these numbers. Okay, so the first reaction itself gives NO, nitric oxide. First reaction gives nitric oxide. Okay, so when we treat copper with dilute nitric or dilute HNO3, nitric acid, dilute, okay, we'll get NO. So with concentrated nitric acid, that is second case, we'll get NO2. Here we'll get nitrogen dioxide, not nitric oxide. So the first reaction gives nitric oxide. Dilute HNO3 we are using. Concentrated HNO3, here we give nitrogen dioxide only. Okay. So answer is option A. Answer is option A. Next question from chemistry in your paper is, which one of the following is not correct? So from this statement, You have to choose a statement which is not correct. All carbons in diamond are linked by carbon-carbon single bond. Graphite is layered structure in which layers are held together by weak van der Waals forces. Graphite layers are formed by hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. Graphite layers are held together by carbon-carbon single bond. So you have to choose the incorrect option or statement which is not correct. So see the first statement, all carbons in diamond are linked by carbon-carbon single bond. That is correct. The statement is correct. Graphite is layered structure. That is correct. And each layer is held by van der Waals forces. Graphite layers are forming hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. That is also correct. So the incorrect statement is graphite layers are held together by carbon-carbon single bond. That is wrong. So carbon-carbon layers is bonded by weak van der Waals forces. That's why it is easy to break. So that's why it is used in the lead of pencils. So this graphite is having layer structure. Each layer is held by weak van der Waals forces, not by carbon-carbon single bond. So the incorrect statement is option D. Option D. It is not held by carbon-carbon single bond. It is held by van der Waals forces. Next question. Which one of the following is called dry ice? Which one of the following is called dry ice? So dry ice is nothing but solid carbon dioxide. Dry ice is nothing but it is solid carbon dioxide, or sometimes also known as card ice. Card ice. It is also known as card ice. It is used in refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food. Okay, so it's solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. So that is dry ice. Next question. Absolute zero temperature is 0 Kelvin. In degrees Celsius unit, which one of the following is the absolute zero temperature? Okay, so 0 Kelvin corresponds to which degree Celsius? That is the question. So what is the relation between Kelvin and Celsius? Kelvin, degree Kelvin. Kelvin is degree Celsius plus 273.15, isn't it? So here they are giving 0 Kelvin. So that is degree Celsius plus 273.15. So degree Celsius is negative 273.15. Okay, so corresponding degree Celsius scale is 273.15, negative 273.15 degree Celsius. That is option C. That is option. Next question. This chemistry question. Solution of which one of the following? Solution of which one of the following will have pH less than 7? Okay, so you know pH scale. So 7 is neutral. In pH scale, value 7 is neutral. Less than 7 is acidic. Greater than 7 is basic. 7 to 14 is basic. Okay. So pH less than 7 is for acid, isn't it? pH less than 7 is for acid. So here, see, sodium hydroxide is a base. So its pH pH is greater than 7. Now, see, sodium chloride is a neutral salt, we can say salt. Now, KCl and FeCl3. See, FeCl3 is obtained by treating weak base FeOH thrice with strong acid HCl. So, we'll get FeCl3, which is acidic in nature because we are treating with strong acid. Strong acid. So, strong acid means its nature will be most acidic. So, the correct answer is FeCl3 because FeCl3 is obtained by treating weak base with strong acid. Okay. So, acid pH is less than 7. So, the answer is FeCl3. Next question. Which one of the following is an oxidation reduction reaction? That is, they're asking about redox reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction means it is redox reaction. Redox reaction. Okay. So here, which is redox reaction? That means there should be oxidation as well as reduction happening. That is redox reaction. So see here, the option C is the correct answer, Mg. So here, see, Mg is having Mg atom is mentioned. So its oxidation number is 0. Oxygen, its oxidation number is 0. Then when they become MgO, oxidation number of Mg will become 2 plus. Oxidation number of oxygen will become 2 minus. So Mg is undergoing oxidation because its oxidation number is increasing from 0 to 2 plus. So oxidation is happening here. While oxygen is undergoing reduction because it's oxidation. So this is reduction because oxygen's oxidation number is changing from 0 to 2 minus. So this is for Mg, 0 to 2 plus. Oxygen's case, it is changing from 0 to 2 minus. So both oxidation and reduction is happening. So this is the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. That is the redox reaction. Next question. Which one of the following is not used as a fertilizer? Answer is option D. Option D. Ammonium sulfate is not used as fertilizer. Rest of the compounds is used as fertilizers because nitrate, phosphorus, etc. are required as fertilizer. That means NPK is important. So this will add nitrogen. This will add phosphorus. Okay. So sulfur will be provided by sulfide, but ammonium sulfate is not used as a fertilizer. Next question. Which one of the following is a chemical formula of gypsum? Chemical formula of gypsum. Chemical formula of gypsum is calcium sulfate 2H2O. Calcium sulfate 2H2O. That is the first option. So this is gypsum. Now plaster of Paris is there. Plaster of Paris. That is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. That is half H2O. That is plaster of Paris. Here they are asking gypsum. That is calcium sulfate 2H2O. Next question. Which one of the following statements is correct? Correct. Which one of the following statements is correct? So what are the statements? A given compound contains exactly same proportion of elements. So they are asking about statement about law of conservation of mass. Okay. So you have to check the statement which is correct about law of conservation of mass. So it is clear the option C is correct. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So that is mass also can neither be created nor destroyed. So that is a statement related to law of conservation of mass. All the other statements, this is related to volume. This is the reaction. This is related to volume. This is related to number of elements in a compound. So the answer is option C. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So that is a statement related to law of conservation of mass. Next question. Which one of the following greenhouse gases is in largest concentration in atmosphere? Largest concentration is for carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, that is nitrogen, oxygen, then comes carbon dioxide. In the air atmosphere concentration, nitrogen, oxygen, then carbon dioxide comes. So from this, carbon dioxide is the gas which causes greenhouse effect. So from the option, carbon dioxide is the correct answer. So these all are causing greenhouse effect, but which is having higher concentration, that is carbon dioxide, which is the third in atmosphere. So answer is carbon dioxide. So these are some of the questions from 2018 NDA 2 exams. Okay. So thank you.